In this video, I will be discussing area property of range object. For that, let me first insert a module and start a subroutine whose name is trial. Now let me first define the range and select it. Range A1 to B2 dot select. Now let me run this code. So this is one area. Now if I want to add other area, then I have to give comma and then write other area. B3 to B4. Now let me run this code. So these are the two areas that we have defined. Now let me give the range to a variable and discuss how we can calculate total number of areas and in each particular area the total number of cell. So VIM RNG single area as range. Now set RNG equals to RNG A1 to B2 and second area is C3 to B5. Now let me show you the range or the area that I have given to RNG. So select. Now let me run this code. So these are the two areas that I have given to RNG. Now I want to count the total number of areas that I have given and show it as a message box. So msg box rng dot areas dot count. Now let me run this code. So we have given two areas. And now if you want to measure the total number of cells in first area, then what you have to do is just you have to add 1 after areas, and that's all. So there are 4 cells in first area. Now you can also loop through each area and count the total number of cells in each area and show it as a message. For that, I will first remove this line and then we'll add a for loop single area for single area in rng.areas for each single area msg box a single area dot count and then next single area. Now let me run this code and show you. So first area is having 4 cells and then second area is having 6 cells. Now let me show you how we can compare each cell in different areas and find the unique number. For that I will be defining 3 areas. So first let me write numbers in these 3 areas. So 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, 7, first area. Now second area, 12, 1, 10, 2, 8, 9, second area. Now third area, 10, 12, 8, 9. So these are the three areas and I want to compare this area and find the unique number. The code for that I have written earlier. I will just copy this code and paste it over here. Now I will run this code line by line and will explain you what I have written. First I am defining the variables. I am defining 4 variables as range and 2 variables as integer. Now I am giving the selection area to RNG. Now I am making the interior color of the cells of selected area to 0, which is no color. Then I am making the border lines of this area none. So I do not want any border line here. These two are the initialization condition. Now this if condition will check whether the user has selected area or not. We have selected area, so it will go to else part. Now it will color the each cell of the area selected. Now it will border each of this area. Now I have written for loop, and this for loop will compare each cell in two areas and will find the unique number. And if the number is not unique, then it will make the interior color to zeros. So no interior color. So it will keep on going. Let me press F5. So here one number is not unique, and so the cell is not having any color. All the numbers which are having interior color as pink are unique. So that's how we can find the unique number in the specified area. Thank you.